not part of the pollution. With this beautiful quotation, I invite you all in today's morning assembly. The theme of our assembly is National Pollution Control Day. Prayer makes our mind fresh and it also motivates us for the whole day. So please hold your hands and get ready for the morning prayer. For a whole day. So I would like to call Gunjan for thought of the day. Good morning everyone. Thought of the day is love favors the brain. Thank you and have a nice day. Learning a word every day is a good and a never-ending habit. We should always inculcate this habit, which shows our awareness towards our nation. So I would like to call Veer for word of the day. Veer, please.
Word of the day is biodegradable. It is spelled as Biodegradable. Meaning of this word is able to decay naturally and in a way that is not harmful. Sometimes food is used to wrap in leaves. It also natural biodegradable. Thank you. Nirmal.
Hearing news every day is a good and a never-ending habit. So I would like to call. So I would like to say the news headlines of the day. The news headlines of the day are in the national news. PM Modi leaves for India after attending World Climate Action Summit. National news. International news. Hamas Health Ministry says at least 50 dead in bombing of UN school. Sports news. India versus Australia live score 4th T20. India beat Australia by 20 runs. Weather forecast. Rain continues in Chennai. Chief Minister holds meeting to review cyclone preparedness. Thank you. As everybody knows, the theme of our assembly is National Environment. National Pollution Day. So I would like to call Siddhi for throwing light on it.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Pollution is very dangerous for us human beings as living creation. Pollution is mainly caused by human activities. Pollution is addition of unwanted substances into the environment that can be damage our earth. There are four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. All kind of pollution are mainly a result of careless activities by man. We dump waste directly into water bodies, which results in water pollution. Air pollution is caused when vehicles release smoke into the atmosphere and make it difficult to breathe for all the organisms. Thank you.
Anybody with here? Now I would like to call our beloved principal ma'am. Ma'am, please.